This projector redefines what professional display performance should look like. The Panasonic Solid Shine PT-FRZ60 is engineered to deliver precision, brightness, and dependability on a whole new level. Designed for modern classrooms, corporate spaces, and large venues, it combines advanced DLP imaging with Panasonic's laser brilliance for long-lasting, crystal-clear visuals. The projection quality is exceptional. With a WUXGA resolution of 1920 by 1200, this model provides a sharp, detailed image that enhances every presentation, video, or visual project. Its 6,000 lumens brightness ensures clear visibility even in rooms with ambient light, while the 20:0:0:0:1 contrast ratio produces deep blacks and bright highlights that make content truly stand out. Whether it's text-heavy slides or colorful multimedia, the clarity remains consistent. At the core of its performance lies Panasonic's Solid Shine laser light source. Built for longevity, it provides up to 20,000 hours of continuous use without needing a lamp replacement. This means maintenance costs drop significantly, and brightness stays uniform over time. It's designed for people who value reliability, especially in environments where uptime matters most. Installation versatility is another major strength. The PT-FRZ60 can be set up in multiple orientations, ceiling-mounted, front, or rear projection, giving full flexibility for any space. The projector's quiet operation ensures minimal distraction, making it perfect for meeting rooms, lecture halls, and studios. When it comes to connectivity, it covers everything you need. Dual HDMI ports, a USB input, LAN capability, and audio interfaces make device pairing effortless. Whether connecting a laptop, streaming device, or media player, it's ready for seamless plug-and-play performance. Image correction tools take precision even further. Keystone and corner correction adjustments allow you to fine-tune your display for a perfectly aligned image, even on uneven surfaces. This ensures every projection looks professional and distortion-free regardless of placement. Panasonic's engineering focus on color accuracy also shines through here. The visuals remain vibrant and natural across different lighting conditions. The projector automatically adjusts brightness depending on the displayed content, balancing power consumption and performance intelligently. This makes it energy efficient while maintaining optimal brightness. The overall build of the PT-FRZ60 is sleek, durable, and professional. It's crafted to operate continuously and consistently, ideal for users who expect both quality and endurance. From the inside out, it's designed for long-term excellence, the kind of product that just keeps performing year after year. This projector is not only about brightness or clarity. It's about delivering a complete visual experience that looks natural, accurate, and powerful in any setting. It represents Panasonic's dedication to innovation, merging laser projection technology with practical usability and robust design. For anyone who values quality visuals, low maintenance, and flexible setup options, this projector makes a strong case. It's a dependable solution that ensures your visuals always look their best, no matter where you use it. If you're planning to bring high-performance projection into your setup, check the link in the description for more details and purchasing information.